Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can make another account on TikTok. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, you want to go ahead and make sure that your TikTok application is up to date. You can just go ahead and do that to the respective stores on your device. For Android, you have your Google Play Store, and for iOS device, you have your App Store. Now you can just go ahead and open up the TikTok application right here, and once inside TikTok, you want to proceed to your profile icon. You can do that by clicking on the profile icon below your screen. Now once inside your profile icon, all you have to do is to navigate through the top of your screen, and from here you will then go ahead and see the arrow. You want to click on your name right here with the down arrow, and this menu will show up. You want to click on add account, and from here we have some options to choose from. You have your continue with Facebook, use your phone or email, continue with Apple, or more. And if you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and click on log in right here. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.